Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm doing this hair review from WESTKISS Hair. They sent me this wig. This banger right here. They sent me a banger. I know you see what I see. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Look at this wig, y'all. It's so beautiful. It's a 5x5 22-inch closure wig. It's body wave. It is so beautiful and full, y'all. So full. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that right here. Make sure you guys keep on watching so you guys can see all the details on this wig. Make sure you check out the description box as well. Listen, I have nowhere to go, but this wig is a banger. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, so today we are, sorry, my fan's on if you hear that. It's hot, it's summer. So today we are working with WESTKISS. Your package will come like this in this cute baggie. Let me show you what's inside real quick. All right, so you will get a bonnet, elastic band, WESTKISS lashes, baby hairbrush, wig caps. The wig will come like this in this baggie here. It does have some information right here on the stickers. It's a HD laced 5x5 lace closure wig, 22 inches. Cap size is large. Hair density is 180. Alright, so this is the wig. It looks absolutely beautiful straight out of the package. It is very thick. The ends look great. It is a 5x5. Sorry, my voice is hoarse. Sorry, my voice is hoarse. But the wig is a 5x5 closure. We do have 3 combs inside and some adjustable straps on the sides as well. This is what the hairline is looking like pre-plucked. I will pluck it a little bit more, of course, but it looks really good. Very, very good. So what I'm going to do off camera is I'm going to put some foundation on the lace. I'm going to pluck a little bit, and then I will come back and style this with you guys. I'm done with the wig. This is the final look. She looks gorgeous. I went ahead and used this curl wand from Revlon. It's just like an old school wand I've had forever, and I went ahead and wand the hair. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Alright, so that is the back, y'all. This hair is beautiful. Let me just tell you, this hair is super full and thick. I love it from root to tips. The ends are fabulous. It has so much body. I did put some castor oil in the hair right before I curled it, so it has a little bit extra shine from that. But that is it. So again, let's talk about this. So again, let's talk about this wig. This is a 5x5 22-inch body wave wig. It is from WESTKISS, so make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig, where you can find it, all that good stuff. Discount code as well. Don't skip the description box, you guys. But yes, this is the wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is a close-up on the lace. It looks very good, very good, blending with the scalp very nicely. These curls are just so beautiful too. I love them. I wish I wasn't filming so late at night because it's like 11 o'clock right now as I'm filming this, but this wig is so good. I wish I was brave enough to wear this at work, but this is like way too much for work. Like, I do not need to be serving tables looking this good, okay? No, ma'am. All right, you guys, that is the end of my review. Make sure you guys check out WESTKISS hair for all the gems, because this is definitely a gem. This is definitely a staple. This is definitely staying with me, okay? I'm not giving it her away, and no, you can't borrow it, okay? So cute. Thank you again for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.